My name is Buck Bonner, and I'm standing here on the back of the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX in Bald Ridge Marina. As you can see, you can already probably see some of the features of this boat that set it apart from the competition. The 250 SLX is an iconic model in the Sea Ray lineup. From everything from your underwater lighting, your hydraulic swim step here in the water, it makes it extremely easy getting on and off the boat. If you have pets, it makes it easy for them or small children. Also, this particular model has the upgraded Fusion stereo systems, which is going to have your transom speakers, subwoofer, and upgraded speakers in the cockpit. On the back of the boat, you have your nice Sea Ray double-stitched dune upholstery. You've got a sun pad or ratchet backrest if you want to sit a little bit more shallow, a little upright. It just folds down at the flick of the wrist. You also have your cup holders, built-in cooler here in the transom, stereo control, freshwater gun as well. So if you're getting hot out here on a, sitting out in the sun on a hot day, you can hose off, or if you need to clean some of your dog's feed or wash anything off the boat, you can do that. Moving into the cockpit, you've got, you notice the blue LED pipe lighting, which is a nice upgrade we selected for this particular boat. You've got your built-in battery charger access here in the corner. Wraparound seating, tons of space on this boat. It's a 25.5-foot boat, but you have tons of space for any guests that you plan to bring. You've got cooler designated storage here up under the seat. It's a good spot to keep it out of the way, keeps it from sliding around, out of people's way. Very nice. There's your Fusion subwoofer right there as well. Stereo system in this boat sounds amazing. You just look at the upholstery throughout the boat. It's double stitched, diamond stitched as well. You have access to your head, so it's a pump out head, very easy to maintain. Over here towards the helm, you have your Simrad 12-inch units upgraded. You can go to split screen on both of these units and display 4 different screens at a time. Or you can just have two big screens. You can have all your engine data and your chart plotter, or however you decide that you like to have it on a day out on the water. Again, this boat has the upgraded Fusion stereo system, so your head plate's going to be here at the helm, easy access. You'll also have trim tabs on this boat, so you have your leveling devices. This has a 6.2 350 horsepower engine as well, digital throttle, lots of horsepower for a 25-foot boat. It's a very well performing boat. Notice throughout the cockpit as well, we have our Snap-in Infinity flooring. That's an upgrade from the Snap-in carpet. It's very light, it dries quickly, doesn't get hot during the day. It's a very nice cockpit flooring. We choose it on a lot of our models that we order here for the store. As we move forward towards the bow, notice you have the stainless steel windshield. Also ample space here in the bow, leather wrapped grab handles, lots of storage, great speakers, part of the premium audio system. You have a massive storage compartment here up under your helm as well. It's a great spot to put some of your fenders, lines, and any additional equipment that you have with you during the day. You also, key feature on this boat is you have a windlass. That's a very big option for a 25-foot boat. So automatic anchor, it's just a push of a button, so no longer will you have to just grab the rope and lug on it until you can get it up, or struggle with that. It's just a push of a button, and it's very easy to do. So this boat is a very well equipped boat. It's sitting here on the sales dock in Bald Ridge Marina. I hope you'll come see it. We'll see you soon.